Hi, I'm Catherine Slater. You can call me Kathy. I'm a paraprofessional that works in preschool special education. Most of my students rely on visuals to get through their day, so I decided that I would present with visuals. This is me. I live in Hungry Horse. I'm about 10 minutes from Glacier National Park. This picture is from the Hungry Horse Reservoir from one of our many camping trips. Wesson is our master fisherman. He's 15 years old, and Hawk is 13, and he's an accelerated comedian. He's always got me laughing. My husband is 17 years, makes sure I get out of the house and walks me through the woods. This is not my husband, this is me. He said no pictures. Sabbath is our family's emotional strength. I'm her protector. She takes care of everybody else emotionally and then comes to me when she has a problem. She is the princess of the house. These are our chickens. This is 3 of our 5 chickens. And the other night, they were actually on the fence roosting. I don't know why. It was really cold. Crocheting is my self-care. I make time for it every day. Right now, my extended family is working on a temperature blanket challenge. We're each working on our own, and each day that we make another row that has a color that represents the temperature of that day. When we're all done, we're donating them to chemo patients. When I grow up, I will be a teacher. I will be nice and make everything sound fun. This was written by me when I was in, I believe, the 4th grade, and it is so true of what I want to do with my life. I was the first in my family to go to college. I have an associate's degree in early childhood education, and I'm back in school working on my P3 degree with a special education minor.